Welcome to this detailed guide on using the SafePal S1 crypto wallet, where we will explore its key features, setup process, and how it offers a secure solution for storing your cryptocurrencies. SafePal S1 is a cold wallet designed to keep your digital assets safe from online threats. First, we begin by explaining how to unbox the device and power it on. Next, we walk you through the process of setting up your SafePal S1 wallet, including configuring your PIN code and backup phrase. This ensures your wallet is secure and ready for use. Then, we'll guide you through adding and managing different cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others within the SafePal S1 app. It's simple and efficient, making it perfect for both new and experienced crypto users. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Finally, we demonstrate how to send and receive funds securely, as well as how to protect your wallet further by enabling two-factor authentication. Whether you're holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, or altcoins, SafePal S1 offers robust features to keep your funds safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips and guides.